An Einhyr champion is an elite kin warrior who often commands all the Einhyr Hearthguard formations of the Leagues of Voltan, present in Oathband. The Einhyr are themselves already an elite formation of kin assault infantry who fulfill tactical roles as deep strike troops, bodyguards and void ship boarding parties among others. Einhyr champions wear modified exo armour outfitted with a technology known as a mass drive accelerator that allows them to move the great armoured bulk for short periods with intense speed. Combined with their formidable close quarters melee weaponry and bulky ram shields, this war gear transforms them into living battle rams, where preternatural accelerated charge hits hard enough to smash clean through armoured fortress gates. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.